हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ सरस्वती एजुकेशन ग्रुप भादरा जून। ये आपके SBM भादरा जून, ठीक है ना। वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ SEA भादरा जून। SEA भादरा जून, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ SEA भादरा जून। तो अपने देखते हैं, देखो इसमें क्या है, क्लास है आपके 7th है ना, चैप्टर नंबर 2 है, एक्सरसाइज है 2.1। और अपने देखते हैं क्या है ये आगे। एक्सरसाइज 2.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर आपके फर्स्ट में क्या दिया हुआ है, देखो भाई, जो चैप्टर नंबर 2 है उसका आपके नेम है फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स। चैप्टर नंबर 2 का नेम क्या है? फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स। फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स। फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स, चैप्टर का नेम है फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स। चैप्टर का नेम है आपके फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स, ठीक। तो अपन देखते हैं, इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है आपके लिए सॉल्व, और उसके बाद उसका पार्ट फर्स्ट है 2 - 3/5। इसका पार्ट सेकंड है आपके 4 + 7/8 है ना। और पार्ट थर्ड है इसका आपके, पार्ट थर्ड इज 3/5 प्लस का 2/7, 3/5 प्लस का 2/7, ठीक। और पार्ट नंबर फोर्थ है इसमें आपके, पार्ट फोर्थ है 9/11 - 4/15। पार्ट फिफ्थ है आपके 7/10 प्लस 2/5 प्लस 3/2। उसके बाद पार्ट सिक्स्थ है आपके 2 होल 2/3 प्लस 2 होल 2/3 प्लस 3 होल 1/2, ठीक। और भाई सिक्स तक ही अपने सॉल्व करते हैं इनको। तो देखो अपन देखेंगे, सबसे पहले तो इन यहाँ पे हमें इसको सॉल्व करना है। फर्स्ट पार्ट में ये एक नंबर है, ये एक फ्रैक्शन है, इसको भाई सॉल्व करना है। इसको लिख लो 2/1 और यहाँ लिख लेंगे -3/5। तो इसमें इसका डिनोमिनेटर है 1, इसका डिनोमिनेटर है 5। इन दोनों का अपन LCM लेंगे तो वो कितना बनेगा भाई? LCM होगा आपके 5। अब 1 का डिवाइड करो 5 में तो कितने आएंगे? 5 का मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 में तो आएंगे 10, और फिर ये बीच का माइनस। 5 का डिवाइड करो 5 में तो आएगा 1 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 में तो आएगा 3, इक्वल्स टू 10 - 3 कितना हुआ? 7। तो ये बना आपके 7/5, ये आ गया 7/5, ठीक। उसके बाद आगे देखेंगे अपन, यहाँ लगा दो 1 तो ये आ गया 8। 1 का डिवाइड करेंगे 8 में तो आया 8 का मल्टीप्लाई 4 में किया तो 8 चौक 32, 8 4 जा 32, ओके। प्लस 8 का डिवाइड 8 में, व्हेन वी विल डिवाइड 8/8 देन विल गेट 1 एंड मल्टीप्लाई 7/1 इज 7। दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 32 + 7 इज 39/8। दिस इज आवर आंसर फॉर आवर सेकंड पार्ट, ओके। थर्ड वन इज व्हाट? थर्ड वन इज 3/5 प्लस 2/7। थर्ड वन इज 3/5 plus 2/7. So what is this? LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. When we will divide 35 by 5, then what we will get is 5 7 are 35. 7 is multiplied by this 3. 7 3s are 21. Plus when we will divide 35 by 7, then what we will get is 7 5s are 35. 5 is multiplied with 2. What we will get is 5 2s are 10. This is equals to 31/35. This is equals to 31/35. Okay. Fourth one is what? This is our fourth one, which is now we have to take LCM. So what will be that? देखो भाई 11 प्राइम नंबर है ना, यानी इनमें कोई भी फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं होगा, तो अपन ऐसे लिख लेंगे इसको। ये ज़्यादा इजी तरीका है ना। 11 × 15 लिख लें, तो वो मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख लो या इस तरीके से लिख लो, है ना। मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखोगे आप तो मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, फिर उसके बाद चलेगा प्रोसेस। और इस तरीके से लिख लोगे तो थोड़ा आसान रहेगा, है ना। अब देखो, इट इज़ क्लियरली विजिबल दैट व्हेन वी विल डिवाइड दिस प्रोडक्ट बाय 11 देन वी विल गेट 15 ओनली, एंड व्हेन 15 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद 9 व्हाट वी विल गेट इज 9 × 15 × 9, 9 5 जा 45, 5 4 carry 9 1 are 9, 9 and 4 is 13. So this is equals to 135 minus when we will divide this product by 15, then 15 is cancelled by 15, we will get 11. 11 is multiplied with 4 is what this is. Okay, now this is equals to 135 minus 11 into 4 is 4 1 ja 4 and again 4 1 ja 4 upon divided by 11 into 15 is 15 1 ja 15, 5 1 carry 15 1 ja 15 plus 1 is 15 1 ja 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. This is okay. Now what is that 50, अब subtract करेंगे अपने तो 50 5 minus 4 is 1, 13 minus 4 is 9. This is 91 upon 165. Okay, now when we are going to divide this sum, then is this possible to divide this? No, this is not possible to divide this. So our answer is 91 upon 165. Okay, if there is any doubt we can, and this is a improper fraction. देखो भाई, जब अपना listen, when our numerator is less than our denominator, then it is called a proper fraction, and when our numerator is greater than our denominator, then the fraction is called improper fraction. So this is our proper fraction. So no problem should be there. Now we will take LCM of these three. Then what we will get is LCM will be 10 because what is this 5, 2, 5 and 10. Now here we are seeing two digits or two numbers are divisible by 2, then we will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, this is 5, 2 5s are 10. Now we will divide by 5, 1 1 and this is 1. Okay, now what is this? Our LCM is 5 to the 10. Okay, when we will go for divide, then what we will get? 10 is divided by 10, 10 1s are 10, 1 is multiplied by 7, we will get 7. Okay, after that 5, when 10 is divided by 5, then 5 to the 10 and 2 is multiplied by 2 is 4, plus when 10 is multiplied by 2, then what we will get? 2 5s are 10, 5 is multiplied by 3, 5 3s are 15. This is equals to 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 15 divided by 10. So this is equals to 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 10. Now this is 2 1 are 2, 2 3s are. Okay, now we will divide by 2 numerator and denominator both, then what we will get is 2 1 are 2, 2 3s are 6. This is 13 upon 2 5s are 10. So our answer is 13 upon 5. Our answer for this question is what? 13 upon 5. I hope you all got it. Now we will move towards our next part. Now we will move towards our next part, which is 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay, so I am going to rub this and we will start that part. Now what we will get is, listen, our next one is what? Next one is question number last, which was 6th part and 7th part, both 6th and 7th part. Our 6th part is what? 2 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 whole 1 by 2, and last one is what? 8 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 5 by 8. Okay, so now we will move towards this part. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, this is 8 upon 3 plus 2 3 the 2 3 the 6 plus 1 is 7, so this is 7 upon 2. Now we will take LCM of these two, then what we will get is 3 to the both numbers are prime. जब भाई दोनों नंबर्स प्राइम होती हैं तो उनका LCM उनके मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बराबर होता है, ठीक है। तो मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 to the 6, this is our 6. Now we will divide 6 by 2, 3 to the 6 and 2 is multiplied with 8, 8 to the 16 plus. Now we will divide this 6 by 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 will multiplied by 7, then what we will get is 7 into 3, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. This is equals to, this is 7 and now this is 3, this is 37 upon 6. Okay, our last one is what? 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 1 upon 2 minus 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 5 upon 8. So this is our 17 upon 2 minus this is our 29 upon 8. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. When we will divide our 8 by 2, then 2 4 is 8, 4 is multiplied with 17, then what we will get is, then what we will get is 17 multiplied with 4 minus 29 multiplied with 1. Now what we will get is 17 4 is 68 minus 29 divided by 8. This is equals to, when we will subtract 29 from 68, then what we will get is, when 9 is subtracted from 18, then we will get is, then we will get a 9. Okay, and here we will get 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is our 39 upon 8. This is our 39 upon 8. I hope you all got it. 18 minus 9 is 9 and this is 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, 39 upon 8 is our answer. So we have finished our first question. Now we will move towards our question number second, which is, what is our question number second? Our question number second is, our question number second is what? Question number second is, arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following. Arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. Okay, so this is our first part is 2 upon 9 comma 2 upon 3 comma 8 upon 21. Okay, and our part second one is 1 upon 5 comma 3 upon 7 comma 7 upon 10. This is, so what we will go for? This is listen, arrange the following in descending order. Descending order मतलब घटते हुए क्रम में, यानी पहले सबसे बड़ा फिर से छोटा फिर से छोटा. ठीक, चलिए भाई, लेट्स स्टार्ट. दीज आर नंबर्स विच आर नॉट क्लियरली विजिबल, विच वन इज ग्रेटर और विच वन इज स्मॉलर. ओके, ये वो नंबर्स हैं जिनमें हमें पता नहीं कि भाई कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है ना. इसलिए अपन देखो भाई एलसीएम लेंगे तो 9 3 21 का एलसीएम 21 आ गया. 9 से 21 को डिवाइड 21 है ना. 7 3 या 21 63 आएगा भाई एलसीएम, है ना 63. 9 3 करके बता देता हूँ आपको 21. इन तीनों में अपन देखते हैं, इन दीज थ्री ऑल थ्री नंबर्स आर डिवाइडेड बाई 3, आर डिविजिबल बाई 3. ओके, सो व्हेन वी विल डिवाइड बाई 3, 3 9 जा 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 3 7 जा 21. After that again by 3, 3 1 is 3, this is 1 and this is 7. After by 7, 1 1 and this is 1. Now I am getting a answer which is 1 1 and 1. Okay, so This is our 63. When we will divide this 63 by 9, then what we will get is 9 7 ja 63, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 9 7 ja 63. So this is 7 and 7 multiplied with 2 is 7 2 ja 14, comma when 63 is divided by 3, then what we will get is 21. 21 multiplied with 2 is 42. Next one is 63 divided by 21, then we will get is 3. 3 is multiplied with 8, then 8 3 is 24. So now we will compare which one is larger. 42 is larger and 42 belongs to this fraction, hence this fraction is greater than rest or other two. Okay, so this is 2 by 3. Now our next one is 24. 24 belongs to this fraction. So our next one is 8 upon 21 and our last one is 2 upon 9. This is our answer, or this is our required preference or required order. Okay, next one is number second. What is number second? Our number second is when we will take LCM of these two, then what we will get is let us take LCM. This is 5, this is 7 and this is 10. 5 7 and 10, 5 7 and 10. So now what we will get is 10 7 ja 50 70, and listen, first these all numbers are not divided by one number, so we will check which is smallest. Okay, so are this number is divisible by 2, hence we will divide by 2. Then 5 is not divisible by 2, 7 is also not divisible by 2. Now we will go for 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay, now here we are seeing this is clearly visible that numbers are divisible by 5. Then 5 banja 5, this is 7, again 5 banja 5. Now we will divide by 7, then what we will get is 1 1 and 1. Okay, hence here we are seeing these three are prime factors. So LCM is what? LCM is 2 into 5 into 7. 5 to the 10, 10 7 is 70. This is our answer, and which we will write over here. Okay, now 5, when we will divide our 70 by 5, then what we will get? 14. Okay, 14 5 is 70. So 14 is multiplied 1, we will get 14 into 1 is 14. Now what we will do is 7, when 70 is divisible, when we will divide our 70 by 7, then what we will get is 10, and when we will multiply 3 by 10, what we will get is 30. Okay, now next one is when 70 is divided by 10, then what we will get is 7. 7 multiplied with 7, what we will get 49. And in these three numbers, this one is the larger one, after that this one, and after this one comes. Okay, and this number belongs to this fraction, hence this fraction is the greatest one. Okay, so and we have to write it in ascending order. Descending order means घटते हुए क्रम में. तो अपन देखते हैं, पहले अपन ने ये नंबर लिख ली, सबसे बड़ी है जो कि है ना. नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस वन which comes on second place, and last one is this one. Hence this one is our required descending order. This one is our required descending order. Okay, I hope now you get all these two sums very properly. Okay, let us move towards our next part, which is next question. Sorry, because I hope yes only two parts are there. We will move towards our question number 3rd, that is question number 3rd is what? Our question number 3rd is, in a magic square the sum of the numbers in each row. In a magic square in a magic square the sum of the numbers in each row, the sum of the numbers in each row, the sum of the numbers in each row, in a magic square the sum of numbers in a magic square the sum of numbers in each row, comma in each column and along the diagonals, comma in each column in a magic square the sum of numbers in each row, comma in each column and along the diagonals and along the diagonals look over here. In a magic square the sum of numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same, okay. After that, is this a magic square? 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 Okay. So our part first is our question number first is this one. Okay, this is 4 upon 11, next one is 9 upon 11, next is 2 upon 11, next one is 3 upon 11, after that 5 upon 11, next one is 7 upon 11, after that 8 upon 11, 1 upon 11 and 6 upon 11. Okay, now what we have to do is listen. In a magic square the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. भाई मैजिक स्क्वायर का क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट चैप्टर में भी आया था, है ना। भाई मैंने बताया था कि भाई ये रो हैं तीनों, इनके अलोंग सम करेंगे, वी विल ऐड द एलिमेंट्स अलोंग columns also and after that diagonals. This is our first diagonal, this is second one. If the sum remains the same along these three sums and these three sums, after that these two sums, means if all the 8 sums are same, then we will say that this is our magic square. Okay, so look at this. First we will add these 3, then what we will get is 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 9 is 6 plus 9 is 15. So this is 15 and upon 11. Here we are here this is clearly visible that all the denominators are same. So we have to add numerators directly without calculating any LCM. Otherwise, in general way we have to first calculate LCM, after that only we can add or subtract two fractions. Okay, so this is 15 by 11. Now we will add these 3, then what we will get is 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 upon 11. We will go for this is 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 upon 11. Now we will go for the columns. Sum of all the columns is what? 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, this is 15 upon 11. Now what we will get is 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 5 is 15 upon 11. After that 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 7 is 15 upon 11. This is again okay. We will add diagonally, then what we will get is 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So our sum of first diagonal elements are 15 upon 11. Again we will add this way, okay. This is 9 plus 4, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5 is again 15. So sum is 15 upon 11, okay. Now here we are seeing first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. All the sums are same. Hence we will say that this is our magic square. And is this a magic square? Our question was, is this a magic square? Yes, this is a magic square. Yes, this is a magic square. This is a magic square. Yes, this is a magic square. Number second one is what? Listen, question number third, and which part we have to do? Question number third, only one part is there in our question number third. We will move towards our question number fourth after reviewing this, okay. So what we will get is, now our question number next is what? Question number next is question number fourth. This is our question number fourth, in which a rectangular sheet of paper is a rectangular sheet of paper a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter wide, okay. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Okay. Now a rectangular sheet. So a rectangular sheet means first we have to draw a rectangle. This is our rectangle, which is, listen, which is ABCD, and length of this rectangle is AB as well as CD, and width is AD as well as BC, okay. So now here we will see, is what? We will look at this, a rectangular sheet. This is a rectangular sheet. Sheet of paper is 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter long. Hence the length of this sheet is 12 whole 1 by 2. And in a rectangle, AB is equals to CD, because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, okay. This is 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter, okay. Now this is, देखो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे अपन. दिस इज आवर मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. नाउ वी हैव टू मेक इट a improper fraction, okay. So these two numbers are multiplied and this one is added, okay. 12 to the 14, 14 plus 1 is 20, 12 to the 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, 25 upon 2, okay. Now here also 25 upon 2, okay. These two sides are of length 25 upon 2 and this is also 25 upon 2, okay. This is our width, which is, what is our width? Width is 10 whole 2 upon 3, 10 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Again this is also 10 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. So now here we are seeing 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32, this is 32 upon 3 centimeter. Okay, this is again 32 upon 3 centimeter. Okay, these four sides we are given. Now what we have to find out, find its perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter is sum of all sides, and there are four sides, 1 2 3 4. We are seeing two sides are same, two sides are same over here also. If this is our length and this is also length, this is width and this is also width, then the formula of perimeter is what? Perimeter equals to L plus L, L plus L plus B width plus B width, means this is 2L and this is 2B. Now we will take 2 as common, 2L plus B. Now this is 2 and this is L plus B. What is our L? L is 25 upon 2. L is 25 upon 2 plus what is B? B is what? 32 upon 3. This is equals to 2 and this is LCM of 3 and 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. 3 is multiplied with 25, then what we will get is 25 into 3. 3 is 75. Okay, so this is our 75 plus 3 2 is 6, 2 is multiplied with 32, then what we will get is 64. This is equals to 2 3 is 6, this is 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus 6 is 13, 139 upon 3. Now our 139 is not divisible by 3, hence this is our answer. Okay. Now we will see all other questions in our next video. So till then, bye bye, take care, and note these questions along with our video on a rough notebook, and after that complete your work on fair notebook, because whenever you will come to school regularly, then we will check your notebooks properly. Okay.